Hi, I'm Juliet, and today I'm talking about the Synopsis box in Scrivener 3 for Windows. The Synopsis box is found in the first section of the inspector and is linked to your individual documents and folders. Each can have a separate synopsis. It can be automatically filled using the contents of your main text from the Documents and Autofill option. However, it's probably more useful and sensible if you write the synopsis yourself. Is this the same function as the corkboard? Well, it could be, sort of, but I see a synopsis as being written after the main text is completed, summarising it, and the corkboard for writing ideas down beforehand that may or may not come to fruition. In fiction, the synopsis box could be used just to remind yourself what happens in the chapter or scene. In non-fiction, it may actually be the basis of a document you need to create. I suppose you could do that for fiction too, if you wanted a printout of what is contained in your actual manuscript. For that purpose, there are some templates that include the synopsis, such as the full indented outline and the outline document. This is how those two present without any customization. As you can see, it doesn't work well with text in the folder text box at the top, so you probably shouldn't use that if you're wanting to create this type of document. Or you could delete it in the compiled document, or customize the template. Once you have your synopsis, you can also append it to your text if you want, using the same document's autofill menu, and it will appear at the end of your document. But leave it until you've completely finished, because it doesn't auto-update. Also, copying and pasting is probably quicker. How might you use the synopsis box? Do you need to produce documents using this kind of text? Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.